Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're breaking down what's really happening behind this crypto pullback and why this moment might be far more bullish than it feels. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so over the last few weeks, the market flipped from confidence to fear. Bitcoin dropped, altcoins sold off, and suddenly the loudest voices online were the critics and the I told you so crowd. Anthony Scaramucci pointed out something that many investors overlook. Every time prices fall, the haters become louder, but their noise distracts from the real story. Behind the scenes, Wall Street is quietly positioning for the next major upside move. While retail panic sells, big institutions are doing the opposite. BlackRock, Fidelity, and VanEck continue adding exposure through their Bitcoin ETFs. Even during this downturn, net ETF flows remain positive, and when ETFs are buying more than they're selling, it tells you where the long-term direction is heading. Scaramucci compared early Bitcoin holders selling now to venture investors cashing out after an IPO. It shakes the market in the short term, but it redistributes supply into stronger long-term hands. A huge part of the recent drop came from forced liquidations, hedge funds, and leveraged traders unwinding positions after getting caught around early October. We've seen this before after the FTX collapse and other stress events. These unwinds usually take a few weeks, and right now we're nearing the end of that process. If Bitcoin can hold this range a little longer, this area could become the interim bottom before the next big push. Major altcoins like Avalanche and Solana also got dragged down, but not because their fundamentals changed. Avalanche is still gaining institutional traction, especially for tokenization and enterprise use. Subnets give AVAX customization options that Fortune 50 companies are paying attention to. When institutions are exploring and integrating during a correction, that's not weakness, that's opportunity. And Scaramucci brings up the most important truth. Bull markets make people money, but bear markets make people wealthy. Every major Bitcoin accumulation zone in history happened during fear, forced selling, and negative sentiment. Exactly like what we're seeing right now. The biggest winners of this cycle will be the ones who take the long view, not the ones who panic with the crowd. Short-term volatility can feel brutal, but the long-term structure of this market hasn't changed. Institutional adoption is growing, ETF demand remains strong, forced selling is nearly finished, and the next 12 to 24 months could reward patient investors far more than the headlines suggest. If Scaramucci is right, this correction is not the end of the story. It's the setup for the next major run. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.